we're putting a new compressor here. That's the old compressor. This is old. We're putting a new compressor. New compressor, we are just putting it, connecting the high side and low side to the new compressor. The old compressor is like 25 years old compressor, and it has R22. So that's what we are putting here to make sure all the things are working. And we also fixed the condenser because it was leaking. That was really a hard fix. It's not easy to fix that leak, but we used 45 that thing 45% to solder here. And this is the welding we did now, high side and low side. So it's a new compressor. Actually this is called water source heat pump, and it runs with the hot water and cold water. In the summertime the heat pump makes the water cold to go through the water pipes and make through the condenser and send a cooling air to the whole apartment through the cold pipes. So the heat pump job is to make the water cold in the summertime, and winter time the heat pumps make the water hot so that we can get heat in the whole house. So there's pipes, these pipes have water coming in. So this is a water source heat pump system, and that's what we changing the compressor on this unit. And this was really a difficult, very challenging job because of the leakage there, and we fix it.